What? Go on, sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I'm Joe Murray.
I'm Rush.
And this is the Start at Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best and most interesting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment, subscribe to this or that Sports TV. You deaf? And do one more thing first, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people, get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day, people.
Oh, well, sorry, people. I don't mean to shout at you guys. You know what I'm saying? But we get excited sometimes. Bro, 9 love. 9 love. Well, I'm put on some music. Sometimes I really like. Now I cut it out. Oh, well. Anyways, 9-0, bro. 9-0. The under 20 Reggae boys got 9-0 from USA. USA is supposed to be the best team. Now, the region, okay, fine. We're supposed to lose the game. But 9-0.
USA have some of them ballers in the Olympics.
Of course. But either way, USA is supposed to be the best team. Mm-hmm. No, we didn't expect to lose. We didn't know we were going to lose. One concern I had was that all the progress that John Wall made would have been uprooted and discarded.
Is it obvious?
Oh my God, is it obvious? And that was proven to be correct. You know, and we did have a video about it. We did say there's no way your roommate ever come in and have the same players with all the progress and they play the same way. Mm-hmm. And it just never did happen. And we see the team was just so bad. No, I never watch all of the game. I'm not gonna lie. I watched most of the first half. And me, I said those players are better than what we saw.
I was about to click onto the game and then I said 3-11 and like 12. I mean, I said, all right, watch you not pass.
Yeah. No, I can't tell you if you're far. We never played. Remember Blake and I
Really?
No. My bad. You don't understand. But those players are better than they were playing. I definitely say that. Remember Blake in the midfield was awful. It was atrocious. Like, Adrian Reed literally a pass ball out of bounds. Like, 20-yard passes. Just a pass out of bounds. Like, overhit passes, underhit passes. Like, a dribble to give people the ball. Like, we are better than we played. But at the same time, whenever you see that, you know, most of it come down to coaching and not just the quality of the players. Whenever you see lack of cohesion, whenever you see players unable to put a string of passes together or make some link-up play or know where their teammates are supposed to be, that have a lot to do with coaching, that have a lot to do with the system. I'm going to feel like that was what we saw. We are better than what those players represented, and I think the results won't be this bad anymore. But we definitely will be losing most, if not all of the rest of the game. Just based on the fact that my sister, this team now have no cohesion. This team don't know what they do out there. It just look like a bunch of players in the same colors that play together. In that whole kit, by the way.
Yeah, all of these.
You see me? So, yeah, bro. What do you think about that? What do you think about the coaching aspect of it? John Wall making all the progress with the team, and then not a total different team, but a team with a lot of new players coming into the actual competition and qualifying competition and stinking it up. What do you think about that? Not John Wall wouldn't have been the coach right now, anyways, because the man is up and gone. But the decision was made before.
Apparently, Ireland really want to fund assistant. Ireland want a local assistant and goalkeeper coach.
See it there?
Yeah, that was a part of the contract. So not only man sell out Jamaica, the man sell out him dogs them to dog. Sorry, not only man sell out Jamaica, the man them must sell out him friend them to bro.
Jaja.
Ireland I said they want to reserve the assistant coaching positions for local coaching.
Mm-hmm. So just come with the philosophy and how you want the things.
You run the shit.
And you tell them whatever for the water. Them are. Yeah. Anyways.
So the man left John Wall and the goalkeeper coach Panambati, bro.
There you go. The man there all about the dollars.
No, bro, if you make 650, bro, you have to say your ear, no? The man them
pay them
100 each in the forward. You're going to be my assistant goalkeeper coach and you're going to be my assistant coach.
Anyways, go on. How you feel about the coaching dynamic and just
bro,
a different
I always
team
say it, bro. Even a lot of these young players, bro, are playing at professional levels. And I think what we need is professional coaches to handle these young professionals. My same philosophy stands with the national team as that stands with the youth teams. We want a professional experience. We want people who's coached at the highest levels. Fine, we can say at the highest levels in youth football.
Yeah, pay them.
That's the problem. You never ask me, oh, am I going to get them or oh, am I going to solve the problem? You ask me, what are my thoughts on it?
Yeah.
And I'm saying, when you ask people to punch in weight classes that are higher than they are in, they're going to get knocked the hell out. You get me? I say, yeah, they're going to get knocked out. So we cannot expect these men to work miracles.
Yeah.
Just like how we cannot expect the footballers to play above their levels. It's the same with coaching, bro. Coaching is a talent, it is a skill. Coaching, just like being on the field, is a technical ability, except you're doing it with your mind and your will and your personality. But not everybody can just go back on one whiteboard and say, me a coach. You have a bond with it, just like how Messi born for play football. You have a bond for coach Bushy. And that's something you have to have, and that's something you have to hone, and that's something you have to do at the highest level in order for it to be replicated with people who play at the highest level. And some of these boys are playing at a very high level in youth football, and the quality of coaching that they're used to experiencing is subverted when them come here and have to play for Jerome Wade.
Bro, all we are talking right now, a one man can save a team, man.
Whisper.
A one man can save a team right now,
Or Craig. Which one?
And I do John Richards, Not even so much Craig Butler,
Because
me see about 5 of the Phoenix them in a under 20 team couple months ago, bro, and the man never go on good, bro.
Well, Romari and Thomas was one of the standout defenders still.
Romari and Thomas was good.
Yeah.
Wait name there was good too. One boy name, man. I remember the dog's name, the man play wing back for them for under 20. It is. Wait a minute.
Yeah, Romari and
Romari and Thomas that a Kante.
Oh, so it is a Robina guard. Sorry.
Robina guard.
Kante never get picked.
Robina guard was top. Denzel McKenzie was disappointed.
Robina guard. Star people, Robina guard.
You get me? I say Xander Bicknell was disappointed, even though Xander Bicknell I think is still a part of the squad.
Yeah.
And we're going to talk about that. That is something to talk about. We soon come back to it.
You want to go into politics?
We can't talk about the politics, but I'm afraid of that guy. Anyways. A one man can't solve this and a whisper, bro.
Whisper can't solve this.
Yes, sir.
Nope. No chance. Whisper keeper, whisper defender, whisper midfielder, whisper coach.
Yeah, 9-3.
Whisper, it would definitely be 9-3. Guaranteed that be 9-3 or 9-4. Of that I am certain.
Yeah.
But whisper can't
We need
solve
more
this.
whisper. No whisper, not more whisper.
Whisper
But
quality
players playing at the level. You need not be whisper quality, but playing at that level that whisper is playing. We have a whole heap of them, bro. A whole heap of players eligible to come play. We just don't pick them, and we have a lot of local players that I think are just not good enough, and that's a part of the problem.
Absolutely.
You get me? I say we have pick a lot of players we're just not supposed to be there. What happened to Kobe Thomas? Or why do John Richards in that squad?
Well, we know so Dejan Richards.
That them say, bro.
No, bro. If Craig done with the program, bro. Craig not sending ball, him gonna play for the program.
I think it so
Whisper wouldn't come anyway. Yeah, no, as in Whisper wouldn't come anyways. Because Craig not send no ball at him. You get me? I say, Kobe Thomas, I'm gonna stop post up him.
Xander Bicknell is there.
Bro, but that different, bro.
How is that different?
First of all, Xander Bicknell. Xander do what Xander do.
That's what I say.
When name, you know what Bruce Bicknell?
Yeah.
Bigger than Craig Butler by far. If you want film son play for Jamaica, Craig Butler like beef with the JFF now to stop film son.
Here we go now. And this is what I'm gonna like, bro. And this is what I'm gonna like. And again, before we go for it, and this is not a backhand compliment, we just have make sure everybody know. Craig Butler, man, respect football philosophy and ability to develop talent and get talent opportunities outside of the country. One of the best, if not the best, not even one of the best that Jamaica have to offer. Yeah. That is Craig Butler. Bro, them thing I hold about them future if you ask me.
Well, them said them dep on tour, so
them dep on tour, whatever. You get me? I say they're not always on tour. And this is not the first time I stop them from playing for the national team. If it is that you now send them. No. If you can't start, and it is being rumored by the way, people. This is not the first one. We hear about Jamani Bell. We hear about Dylan John, who are players that go regardless of what Craig said. Go regardless. Xander Bicknell, another one. And people, obviously right now, it's not that we have conversation with Craig about this. And Craig is the one that probably call and say, yo, this is all over here. And then we'll have a conversation. But may I give my opinion based on things that I hear, based on things that is already in the media. whenever certain players are getting held back, them parents say no, and them still have a go, and that's our relationship with Phoenix. But at the same time, bro, playing for your country is an honor, bro.
Yeah,
Playing for your country is an opportunity that people would have paid for do
absolutely.
or pay for get. And just turning that down like it's some trump card, like it's some using it as an one up, using it like, oh, me, I all about my players, so Jamaica go suffer in a car. Oh, no, they now come play for JFF. Like, me not like it. Me not like it. And honestly, all right, them are going to play at Europe and get opportunities. Fine. But you can't tell me say that you didn't dream for play for Jamaica, bro. You can't tell me that. Yeah, and although you have your beef for the JFF and sort out your beef for the JFF, but honestly, bro, leave the players out tight and be an advocate without. Who knows? None of them players that would have get them opportunity if them playing a national team. They are good enough to play in the national team, first of all. Denzel McKenzie can make Jamaica under 20 team right now.
Yep.
He's good enough. Robina Garden is good enough right now.
Absolutely.
Obviously, me that say maybe a late bloomer, but right now Robina Garden
Yeah,
is good enough.
Definitely a late bloomer, but
You get me, I said?
improve good enough.
Exactly. These players will make national team go and represent, and who knows, it could help them career. And it could
help us qualify for the World
and
Cup.
it could help us qualify for the World Cup. Some of them like the whole idea of, oh, no Phoenix now represent Jamaica at this point. I don't like it. I honestly don't like it, because when I feel like when national team and players representing a national team should be a bargaining chip, or it should be. If you want to be an advocate for see better in the national team, go up on news stations, get a petition going.
We need to stop treating international football like club football.
Yeah, bro. At the country we're talking about,
why we keep on treat international football like club football. International football is not club football. International football is not for comfort, it's not for financial game. International football, it's about making the country rank as high as possible, bro, and qualifying for the World Cup.
100%.
Nothing else. It's not about how much richer they're going to make me. It's not about which opportunity they're going to provide me. It's about qualifying for the World Cup and making your country rank as high as possible. And everything else that comes as a byproduct of it, good. It helps James Rodriguez reach where him go. And James Rodriguez a jump off a hill, him still give everything to him international team. He never did a play for Colombia in the World Cup for say, make me get the opportunity out of this. I play for Colombia in the World Cup because I want to win the World Cup for Colombia. Just so happens to get the opportunity out of this. And even when my credit, because nothing James Rodriguez can do for Colombia right now, we can make him get back in one of the top team there. Nothing, because I'm sure who he is in Europe already.
Yeah.
So he could have scored 7 goals at Copa America. As you see, he was the player of the competition this season. He never ever play football at a top level club again.
You mean at like a top 10 club?
Yeah, exactly. So nothing what him can do, but him still go hard for your international team, because it's not about what you can gain from the international team.
Yeah.
It's about what you can give back to your country. It's about going to the World Cup.
Yeah.
It's not about nothing else. Only a week. If you have to sleep on board for a week, fine. You have to sleep on board for a week. Everybody have what them can text still, you know. But as I said, the bargaining, like use like our agent should have say, yo,
we're gonna need this and this before.
Like for example, Rich Paul can look for Lakers and say, yo, he's not signing back unless you draft this kid with number 55th pick. Fine. That's the one club. But
as a billionaire that you are negotiating with.
Yeah. For him, make more money for himself. You get me? I said, right now, bro, international football to be non-profit organization. Dog.
I don't lie.
International football supposed to be, and isn't it non-profit?
It should be. If it is not, it should be.
Right? Everybody just get paid them salary and then all of the money just go back in football, right? That's what's supposed to happen. Go look up that. You see me? But it shouldn't be for a profit.
You know it shouldn't be. Bro, as I say, bro, I just don't like the whole bargaining of players representing the country.
Not with the national.
And my thing is,
I'm all for doing agent shit when I club football. I'm all for it.
Listen.
But not when it comes to your national.
And I don't think Craig Butler is necessarily doing agent shit. What I think he's doing is advocacy. He wants to see a better JFF. He wants to see a more professional around JFF. And I agree with almost everything.
That's what he says. But if you must say, yo,
my players are being
first
treated
class and this, that's an agent shit.
All right, fine. But me I said him MO after Liam Bill, because he never always about Liam Bill.
Yeah.
Him MO is just to see a better JFF. And if you want to see a better JFF, bro, which me agree with almost everything Craig Butler put forward. Obviously, some things are OD. And that is probably a different conversation. We should probably have with him. I agree with almost everything what him say. When him say, yo, communication needs to be better. Players sticking up, not players, but people around the program sticking up players' money. The players being open to the public whenever, them don't play a game or before them play a game or whatever. Not having proper security whenever the players are out in the hotel or whatever. I understand all of that, bro. If a player wants a single room, facilitate it. Fine. Traveling, make sure them travel proper. Bro, I agree with all of that. To get that, you don't hold back the nation's best. To get that, you start a petition, you go and you link with the most powerful people in the country, you join the politics. Run for JFF president. You get me? I say, bro, you don't hold back your best players.
The most powerful people in the country we just talk about as that big now. Son of one of the most powerful people in the country, if I talk about powerful people in the country. So it's not like saying I have contact with all these people. And apparently, Big Nell power with Mafood, who power with Mental. You get me? I say all of them chill. I know some people will say, oh yeah, the 4 horsemen, that Big Nell, and you get me? I say some people I know them say, oh, them are Nicky Close. You get me? I say, Nicky Big Nell. Yeah. So it's them, all of the powerful people, all of them are each one for one. You get me? I say, so it's not like Secret now have access.
Well, the approach is totally wrong for me. And we even said this with the liability. This is just not how you do it, bro. This is just, and you don't say you love the country and earth at the same time. Me just not believe in that. You get me? I say, and your intentions, right? The way of achieving what you want to see, I can't agree with that. I can't rock with that. But
the type back into,
bro, our nation's best, bro.
The youth football. We even talk about the fact that we get 9 or no.
Bro, what we gonna say about getting 9? First of all, I never watch a whole game. That's the first thing. But me tell you about what me see, bro. Me not see no coaching out there, and the players did play down. Not even play down, because you said it way better that way. But the players weren't playing to the level that they are. I honestly believe that. Isn't it? But coaching just have a lot to do with it.
We missed the opportunity to go World Cup.
We're not qualified.
With BOYZ Clark and Jamar Clark and
Fuzzy.
Yeah. We missed that damn opportunity. That was the opportunity. When we spine and prime and we have still a young remaining baby. Look way better.
Yo, I want to tell you, say, if we did operate properly, we would have a chance right now. If we did call the proper players, if we plan properly.
I don't know if I have the talent for it, bro.
What do you mean? We have players.
Well, I guess I have players who not there.
We have players who don't. I now say with this squad, if we have a proper coach, if we have camps leading up properly, if we all of that, bro. We could achieve this. We could achieve it. But sadly, I don't think we'll qualify for the Under 20 World Cup. I don't think we're good enough. I don't think we're
well coached
enough. Yeah. And the last time I said this about coach.
We're already after a bad start.
After the last time I said this about coach, I'm getting I'm feeling. So maybe Jerome wait and I'll see you next time on Harry and Tay, which is all right. So, oh well.
Brethren, Fuzzy failed the national team, and that's how we never qualified for the last World Cup.
100%.
That team was way better than this team. So in the beat Jerome Wade Fuzzy deserved 3 times it.
I don't lie.
Because some big baller the man they have on that team there. Some big baller. Some real big baller. And opportunities to have other real big baller too.
Well, you know what, bro? Even with the last Under 20 team there, I'm gonna get some insight because people don't know, say. You don't know, say.
Yeah.
Bro, man, you say what heap of people hands did there on that team there, bro. And some man call up speed name and some man say Ray and this and say. And him nephew and Ray.
What's new?
What's new? Yes, right. So them say even though Fuzzy was the coach, but a lot of people did have input in the team, how the team play.
So you say you're not blame Marcel. Okay.
Marcel Gale for a chuck off, bro. Marcel Gale wasn't good enough.
It's crazy.
Marcel Gale wasn't good enough, bro.
So it's clear that we're not playing the politics at this side of sports TV. That wasn't very political, bro.
Bro, cooler dog. You want me channel, you know?
You good looking viral.
My guy can't fire me, you know?
You good looking viral.
Me not go viral for that. Anyways.
Imagine if that would go. People make it go viral for that.
No, sir. We go viral organically. I don't care about Marcel Gale was just not good enough for that team. And right now, I can't even judge Jerome Wade properly.
We can't.
So I'm not going to beat Jerome Wade. It's unfair to Jerome Wade.
I say, yo, last time, I say, apples and oranges. So I'm not going to do it to Jerome Wade, give the criticism to Jerome Wade to move that criticism.
Yeah, it's unfair. It's unfair. Well, it's unfair right now. Isn't it? But people...
You see the people that are the captain of the team? Like Pearson and BOYZ Clark. And we have some baller, bro.
Yeah.
Devante Campbell, like, we have some serious level footballer play on that team.
Yeah. How could I make it?
And
With
we're
a
so
couple
close.
things going
And
our
we're
way
so close.
without one of
Right.
our best players.
One off. We need the best player.
Without who would have been the best player in the squad? They get me access. So we that say people ask some goal for now, boss.
Yeah, I want to
People, we have to swing some sticks. I can play some golf. You don't know a thing, go. If you don't want to play golf, let me know what you think. It not go pretty, but hey, it watchable. You get me as I say, so. Anyways.
Where's the bro? Golf channel? YouTube golf go crazy right now, you know?
Right now, at this morning, I go tell you that much. Anyways, people. If you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to this side of Sports TV, and one more thing first. No!
Share the video to 10 people, but get to 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, do you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day, people?
Wow, Wally. But for now, this was this or that Sports TV.
Catch me up on the rebound.
I can't,